Picture this. You wake up ready to seize the day. But wait, there's that familiar heaviness in your legs, the stiffness that slows you down, and those persistent aches that just won't quit. It feels like your body's playing hide and seek with its energy. But what if I told you there's a shift you could make, a change in your daily routine that could turn things around? Today, we're diving into a topic that is close to all of our hearts and legs, the discomfort of leg swelling, joint stiffness, and chronic fatigue. It's time to put a stop to the endless cycle of discomfort and embrace a better way to feel fantastic naturally. We will share 3 unassuming yet potent foods. These aren't fancy imported ingredients, but common, accessible items that hold extraordinary healing power. And the best part? They're already waiting for you in your kitchen. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe. If you find our videos helpful, please support us. 1. Bone broth. Nature as healing elixir. Let us embark on a journey to a corner of the kitchen where aromas dance and healing unfolds. Our first superfood is bone broth, a liquid so rich in nutrients it feels like a hug from within. Bone broth isn't just a culinary delight. It's a powerhouse for leg health and joint vitality. What is bone broth? Imagine slow simmering, a low and steady heat transforming humble chicken, beef, or fish bones into a nourishing elixir. This isn't your average stock. It's a concentrated source of collagen, the building block of our joints, skin, and muscles. But that's not all. Bone broth is a treasure trove of gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin, components crucial for maintaining healthy cartilage and reducing joint pain. Why does it work? Picture your body as a magnificent structure held together by a strong framework of connective tissues, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. As we age or face health challenges, this framework can weaken, leading to discomfort and stiffness. That's where bone broth steps in as a restorative. Its rich collagen content nourishes your joints, helping to rebuild and strengthen the very essence of your body's structure. It's like providing the raw materials for your body to carry out its own repair work, alleviating swelling and restoring flexibility. How to incorporate it? Bone broth isn't just versatile in its health benefits, it's also a culinary chameleon. Warm it gently on its own, savoring the comforting flavors, or use it to enrich soups, stews, and sauces. Each spoonful is a step towards healthier joints and lighter legs. 2. Chicken skin. The unexpected hero unveiling a kitchen all-star. While many shy away from chicken skin due to its appearance or association with excess fat, it's time to reconsider. Chicken skin, when prepared thoughtfully, becomes a nutritional MVP. What is it? It's that often overlooked part of the chicken that adds flavor and texture to our meals. But beneath its surface lies a wealth of collagen, the essential protein for joint health and skin elasticity. Additionally, chicken skin provides a good dose of omega-3 fatty acids known for their anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in the reduction of joint swelling and pain. Why does it work? Consuming chicken skin introduces collagen directly into your system, supporting the production of synovial fluid, a lubricant vital for smooth joint movement. This direct boost in collagen aids in repairing damaged cartilage and strengthening tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues. The anti-inflammatory omega-3 south further enhance these effects, creating a harmonious balance for healthier joints and lighter legs. How to incorporate it? Toss out those deep frying notions. Instead, roast or bake chicken pieces with the skin intact, infusing your home with enticing aromas while nourishing your body. Crispy chicken skin sprinkled over salads or soups adds a delightful crunch and a nutritional punch. Opting for chicken skin in moderation provides a balanced protein intake and a unique source of collagen without excessive fat consumption. 3. Fish skin. A marine marvel often discarded, fish skin deserves a second look. Not only is it a sustainable choice, but it's also packed with collagen and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. What is it? Fish skin, typically found on salmon, sardines, or cod, might seem off-putting, but it's a rich source of type 1 collagen, a primary component of our joints and skin. Moreover, it's a concentrate of minerals such as calcium and phosphorus, bolstering bone health and vitality. Why does it work? Incorporating fish skin into your diet provides your body with readily available collagen, supporting the production of essential proteins and lubricating joint fluids. The omega-3 help combat inflammation, a common contributor to joint pain and swelling. Additionally, the minerals in fish skin play a vital role in maintaining bone strength and overall mobility. How to incorporate it? The trick to enjoying fish skin is achieving that perfect crispness. Pan-sear, bake, or grill fish fillets until golden and slightly crispy. This not only enhances the flavor, but also makes the skin more digestible, ensuring maximum nutrient absorption. For those seeking convenience, pre-made crispy fish skin snacks are available in some stores. Sushi aficionados can relish the inclusion of crispy fish skin in traditional rolls, adding a unique textural element and a nutritious twist to this Japanese delicacy. In conclusion, these three superfoods hold incredible potential for transforming your leg and joint health. Consistent inclusion of bone broth, chicken skin, and fish skin in your diet provides your body with the collagen and essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, nature often holds the simplest and most effective solutions, so why wait? Start incorporating these everyday foods into your meals and experience the profound impact they can have on your well-being. But it doesn't end here. If you want to maximize the benefits of these foods and accelerate your body's natural repair process, discover the secret to enhancing collagen absorption. Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of these foods? Now here's a bonus tip that can elevate your results to a whole new level. You see, your body needs vitamin C to effectively utilize the collagen found in these foods. But how do you ensure your body absorbs and uses this collagen efficiently? Enter our bonus tip, Vitamin C Synergy. By combining these collagen-rich foods with a good source of vitamin C, you can amplify their impact. Why does it work? Vitamin C plays a pivotal role in collagen synthesis, acting as a catalyst that helps your body turn the raw materials you eat into healthy connective tissues. It's like giving your body a helping hand in the production process. How to incorporate it? Adding vitamin C to your meals is as easy as squeezing a bit of lemon juice onto your fish or serving a bowl of fresh berries alongside your chicken skin dish. Leafy greens like kale and bell peppers are excellent additions to any bone broth-based soup, creating a nutrient-dense powerhouse. By pairing these foods with vitamin C, you're ensuring that your body harnesses the full potential of the collagen they provide. It's like a team effort, where each nutrient plays a part in creating a healthier, happier you. Picture your joints moving with newfound freedom, your legs feeling lighter and stronger than ever before. That's the kind of transformation that's possible when you harness the power of nature's bounty. We've unveiled the secrets of 3 unassuming yet mighty foods. Now it's time to take action. Start incorporating bone broth, chicken skin, and fish skin into your daily meals and watch as your body responds with renewed vitality. Don't forget the power of vitamin C synergy to boost collagen absorption and accelerate your journey to better joint health. Remember, you are the architect of your own well-being. Every small step you take today contributes to a healthier, happier tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey to wellness. Until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and keep nourishing your body with the goodness that nature provides.